Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for October 31st, 2013. It's 8 a.m. and it's a wonderful Halloween out there with warm conditions, cloudy, a little bit foggy, but dry, at least for now, and very warm out there with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior. Our cold spot is Poughkeepsie at 41. And along the coast, we're in the upper 40s to lower 50s in the New York City metropolitan area and lower to mid 50s in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. We do have areas of fog, and that fog is locally dense, anywhere from 2 to 4 miles in visibility. And this fog is due to all the warm air invading the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. And it's going to get very warm this afternoon. We're talking about temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the immediate coast and over your urban locations in Philadelphia and New York City. Lower to mid 60s over the northern interior. And we're going to be dealing with cloudy skies today with a threat of a few showers later on this afternoon. On the latest surface map, we have high pressure shifting off the coast, and here's our southwesterly wind as a result. We have these little disturbances within the pressure field that will produce a few isolated showers for this afternoon. Not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but bring an umbrella with you if you're trick-or-treating this afternoon, especially if you're in eastern Pennsylvania, right along the Delaware River, as a few of those showers will work their way into the region. And then we have this strong area low pressure that's currently over Oklahoma that will rapidly lift north and east towards the St. Lawrence River Valley by tomorrow morning. That low pressure system and the associated cold front will produce very heavy rainfall starting late tonight, continuing on through tomorrow, with the potential for strong wind gusts over 50 miles per hour in some of these bands of heavy rainfall. Here's the latest radar, and you can see a few of these little showers here are going to try and break off and push into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. I think they're going to be basically isolated in nature because high pressure is still holding off right off the coast here. It's going to produce some dry air at the surface and limit some of the development of these showers. And all the lifting is focused pretty much over the St. Lawrence River Valley and over the eastern Great Lakes. So what I'm expecting through this afternoon is generally cloudy conditions. Can't rule out an isolated shower. By this evening, I would say after 7 p.m., really 8 p.m. as you head towards the coast, there's going to be this wall of showers that's going to start to push into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So after 8 o'clock, expect periods of rain to start to work in from west to east. And then, as this cold front moves through, all of this heavy rainfall will gradually push through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area late tonight into tomorrow morning through early tomorrow afternoon. And within some of this heavy rainfall will be embedded elevated thunderstorms that will be capable of wind gusts over 50 miles per hour and very heavy downpours. I'm a bit concerned about the potential for localized flash flooding, very poor visibility, and localized wind damage. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that warm front rapidly moving north and east. It's infecting basically some very warm tropical air into the region. Tomorrow's temperatures in the morning will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s, pretty much what our highs should be in September. And the afternoon highs ahead of this cold front here will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, possibly a few lower 70s right along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s, and very heavy rainfall. Once this cold front moves through, temperatures crash into the 50s. So here is the latest model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website. Again, for this afternoon, high pressure is going to hold off a lot of this rain. We're going to have strengthening southwesterly winds. Look for 10 to 20 miles per hour by this evening. Those winds will produce some rather, breezy conditions for all you guys out there tricking and treating. So please use some caution out there, and also please bring an umbrella just in case for one of those passing showers. The cold front moves through tomorrow morning. It will exit off the coast by tomorrow afternoon. So from tomorrow morning on through early afternoon, it's going to be rather nasty out there with periods of heavy rain, strong winds, a few embedded thunderstorms here and there. I think the thunderstorms will remain below severe levels themselves, but the potential for these strong winds to mix down from the mid levels, as you can see here, down to the surface will create the potential for some wind damage. By the time we get to the evening, that cold front will be off the coast, skies will start to clear, so your evening rush hour will be far better and temperatures will be falling back into the 50s. High pressure will take control for Saturday. Now, the strength of the polar air mass will hold back a day. So on Saturday, we pretty much fall back to near normal, upper 50s, lower 60s for highs, low temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, mid 40s along the coast. But then on Sunday and Monday, high pressure will basically sit right over the Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area, supporting some rather chilly weather conditions. So we're looking at temperatures basically on Sunday in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid 50s along the coast. Low temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s throughout the entire region, upper 30s right along the coast. And on Monday, look for temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, lower to mid 30s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, roughly about 5 to 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. But don't worry, because the cold conditions do not last long as high pressure redevelops and shifts off the coast and remains in place through Wednesday. So Tuesday and Wednesday, dry and warmer, with temperatures rebounding once again into the lower to mid 60s for highs and upper 40s to mid 50s for lows. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I hope everyone has a happy Halloween. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.